Hello happy people, I'm back again. As you know, today I have another review for you guys, and guess what we have? There's it. So today we have an Audi A4 TDI 35 TDI S line, and this particular one is an estate version. And this particular one is an estate car with a 2.0 TDI engine producing 160 horsepower. So guys, let's go around it as we always do. Let's go to the boot space and check if it comes with a spare wheel or an inflator kit. First of all, it comes with an auto tailgate. Yeah, so auto tailgate. Oh yes, it comes with an inflator kit. It's under here. That's it. You have to remove this. You have to unscrew this, lift this before you can remove it. So that's it. Very large boot space, very large. And there's the load cover. So you can see that's the load cover. So let's close the boots. One exhaust, that's inserted there. That's it. Very nice design. You know I love Audis, so that's it. It's a very good car. That's what I love. I'm an Audi fanboy, so you know. But I'm not bidding the Audi. I'm not bidding for the Audi brand. It's just the truth. Audis are better than the BMWs. Well built, very reliable, because you know it's a part of the Volkswagen group, plus Porsches, the Lambos. So you know the Audis are way much better cars than the BMWs. So that's it. I was running late, so I couldn't clean this one up, but all in all, it's okay for now. Let's do the review. Let's continue. So that's it. Foldable mirrors. Let's go to the interior. This one, the alloys are full of scratches. So this is the interior. Very beautiful, solid interior. See, plastic, Alcantara, leather, very nice. Look at that, plastic. S-line. It lights up in the night. Plus a solid seat, half leather and half Alcantara within. Look at that, very spacious family car. If you want a better family car, the Audi's estates, they are the best. Let's sit in it and see how it feels. Oh, let's close it. with this one, inspection is due in 1,000 miles. Yeah, very responsive screen touch as well. Nicely built dashboard. Wow, center console looks very nice. Armrests plus storage, some storage within as well. Look at that, man. Audi Drive Select, efficiency, comfort, auto, dynamic, individual. Very comfortable seats, as you can see. Yeah, very solid car. Look at that S-line badge all around. Roof line are made of cloth, but looks very solid. I'm very impressed with Audi's. Multifunctional steering wheel made of leather. Your cruise control. Auto headlights. Let's check the back seats. So the back seats, very solid as well. And you can control the heating system at the back as well. Plus 16, yeah. Plus another 9 volts connector. Look at that, big space for 3 adults. Alcantara plastic. (19-inch) alloy wheels, which is also very in good condition. All in all, very clean car. The roof. So let's check out this particular one. Is an S-line trim, so it's a bit sporty, yeah, with all the sporty looks, but it's not a performance Audi, so you should know. Let's check the engine. It's checking the engine out. Bonnet release. Us. Yeah, a 2.0 TDI engine producing 161 horsepower. It's 160.9, but when it's more than 5, you run it up to 1, so 160.1 horsepower. Very impressive, and it drives very well. Look at that. The sound of, there's the turbo. Yeah, look at those headlights, the typical Audi headlights. Very beautiful. Let's close it. So guys, if you want a family estate, check the Audi A4 estates out. Look at those chrome trims, very nice. A rail spoiler, rear diffuser. This is where the exhaust is, the other one is fake. That's it. 35 TDI. So guys, let's take it for a drive, a quick drive. Okay guys, so without wasting much time, let's go for a test drive. So this comes with a 7-speed S-tronic automatic gearbox, and as I said, this one produces 160.1 horsepower. For a diesel car, it's very impressive. And this Audi's, yeah, it comes with a rear view camera for reversing, easy to drive. And as you know, these Audis, this is a family car, but for long distance cruising. If you are buying a car and you know that you will be traveling long distances for work, this is the best car to buy. The best to buy. Very good for long distances cruising. As you know, diesel cars are for cruising for long distances. So yeah, they are built for long distances. And this particular one, as I said, 2.0 TDI engine, 160.1 TDI, 61 horsepower. What else do you need? It's powerful enough to take you to travel anywhere across wherever you are. And to be fair, buying a diesel car, if you work on a long distance, buying a diesel car is the best option for you. That's why diesel cars comes in when you work on a long distance or you travel a lot. Even if you put the miles on it, it doesn't depreciate as much as a petrol car. If you use a petrol car for cruising, and putting the miles on a petrol car reduces the value of the car drastically. So just learn something. If you travel a lot, don't buy a petrol car, buy a diesel car. That's what to learn for today. If you travel long distances for work, or you travel on a long distance frequently, don't buy a petrol car. Diesel cars are the best for you, to keep the value of the car, and secondly, it wouldn't break. As you know, petrol cars with 2.0 engine downwards, when it hits 100,000 miles, the car is nearly done. So that's the best. And for this Audis, let's talk about this Audi. It drives very, very well on the road. Very stable, handles very well. Very, very well. They are Audis. They are well noted for good handling. German cars are well noted for good handling. Like the BMWs, the Porsches, the Mercedes are all good handling car on the road. It handles very well. All that you need to do is to service it regularly, and you'll be well off. So guys, I've been driving this one for over 130 miles, and trust me, the way it grips on the road is on another level. Anyway, it's a diesel car, so I was not surprised in a German car. Very solid on the road. The steering is very heavy, which is very good. Look at how it handles. Yes. So guys, all that I will say is, if you need a family car and you drive a long distance, you do long distance commuting, do consider one of these family wagons, the Audi A4 35 TDI S-Line. If you buy the S-Line model, it comes, it's a bit sporty. It's not a performance car, but it's a bit sporty. For all the looks, it looks very nice as well. So guys, yeah, do consider one of these if you are looking out for a family wagon. So guys, as I always say, I would have to end it here, and do take good care of yourself, and don't forget to share and subscribe. Peace.